Mille RM UP-01 Ferrari manual winding ultra flat watch. Ultra flat watch with caliber RM UP-01. Ultra flat manual winding movement with hours, minutes and function selector. Function selector integrated into the bezels and function selector located between 10 and 11 o'clock allows one to select the winding or the hand setting function with a simple rotation of the crown. Setting the time or winding the barrel is then possible by turning the second crown located between 7 and 8 o'clock. Surrounding the crowns, two black ceramic inserts protect the bezel from friction and ensure water resistance. Fast rotating barrel 6 hours per revolution instead of 7.5 hours. This type of barrel provides the following advantages. The phenomenon of periodic internal mainspring adhesions is significantly diminished, thereby increasing performance. An excellent mainspring delta curve with an ideal power reserve performance and regularity ratio. Movement characteristics. Movement dimension is 41.45 by 28.85 mm. Thickness 1.1518 mm. Number of joules 23. Balance in titanium alloy GR5 3 ohms 6 setting weights. Moment of inertia is 3 mg/cm square and angle of lift is 54 degree. Frequency 28,800 VPH 4 Hz. Balance spring AQ3. Shock protection KIF. Moment base plate and hand ground grade 5 titanium and wet stand blasted. Bridges in grade 5 titanium wet stand blasted. Top surface polished by hand. Locking sections hand polished. Burnished pivots. Diamond polished sinks on the bridge side. Pinions with undercuts.